Hey guys, it's Miss Martin. So we're going to do this multiplication division review mini lesson. These are problems that we probably have already gone over, but we're just going to kind of make sure that we're doing them again together. Make sure we address any concerns that have come up before you guys go and do your own little lesson. And I'm starting over. Hey guys, it's Miss Martin. So we're going to do a little mini lesson on multiplication division, just to kind of review and refresh before you guys go back and complete any of your missing work. So we have this exercise 1, 3/5 of all people in a room have cell phones. If there are 35 people in the room, how many have cell phones? So this one, I always like to do cubes. So I'm going to pick out my blue pen. I like to circle. So we have pencil blue. 3/5 of all people in a room. There are 35 people in a room. So there's a couple of things we can do. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a tape diagram because we all know I love tape diagrams. So because the fraction of here is 3/5 of all people, we got to think our total, what that's going to be. And that's going to be 5/5. So I'm going to break this into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't make it long enough. Okay, so there's my 5 pieces. I know there are 35 people in the room. And I know that for 3/5, this many have cell phones. So this is what we're trying to find. So we can do 35 and split it into those 5 boxes. This keeps popping up. So we do 35 divided by 5. We know that is 7. So we can fill in there are 7 for each of these fifths. So 3 of them all together right here. You can do 7 plus 7 plus 7, or you can do 7 times 3 and get 21. I don't know why the toolbar keeps popping up. The other way we can do it is it's actually a multiplication problem. You can just do 3/5 multiplied by 35. You can type that in our Desmos calculator or whatever way you would want, but you would still get 21. But overall, you can say 21 people have cell phones. So pick the way that makes the most sense to you. And you can pause the video and then go complete this on your own class notebook. So it'll be on Unit 1, page 7. So pause the video, go do the work for this problem right now. Okay, so I'm going to pick up with exercise 2. Let me just scroll here, maybe. Okay, and scroll down as far as I can go. So we have exercise 2, a machine that makes cell phones can produce 47 cell phones per hour. I'm going to block that and put a divide because I know per usually means divide. The machine can only run 8 hours per day. How many days will it take to produce 4,512 cell phones? So I'm going to kind of do a tape diagram again. I'm going to do for a whole day. I know there's 8 hours in a day, so I'm going to break this up into 8. So here's my tape diagram. That's 8 hours. So this is going to be the whole day. And I know that we can do 47 in each hour. So that means 47 in each of these boxes. So 47, 47, 47. I know for a whole day, I can actually do 47 multiplied by 8. So I'm going to get my calculator out. I'm going to type in 47 times 8. You should also be getting your calculator out doing the same thing. 47 times 8 is 376, and this is in 1 day. So let's just label it in 1 day. So if we know it's, I'm trying to erase that, 376 in 1 day, we need to figure out how long it takes to make 4,512 phones. So if I think about it, the total would be 4,512. And I need to figure out how many days. So I can break this into 376 chunks. I don't know how many I'm going to need. So in order to split it up, we can actually go back to division. We can do 4,512. And we can divide by 376. So on our calculator right now, type in 4,512 divided by 376, and you should get 12 days. So right now you should pause this video, go make sure you put in the work for exercise 2. If you want to do a different solution pathway, that is perfectly all right. When you are all done with the work for exercise 1 and exercise 2, make sure you come back here and list any assignments here that you were missing from week 2. So week 2 is when we did the multiplication and division review. You're going to list all your missing assignments here so that you know and I know, because I can look at your OneNote and we can see what ones you're going to be working on today. So for the rest of today, all you're going to do is you're going to work on those assignments.